Hello, crypto lovers. Hamster Kombat has a community of over 200 million people. About 40 million plus people are tapping and mining on Hamster Kombat to collect coins. But many people have asked, how can we withdraw this coin to our bank account? When Hamster Kombat is listed on Ton blockchain, people will start selling it as quickly as possible, due to which there will be a huge drop in the market, and whoever sells Hamster tokens the fastest will be able to get the maximum profit. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to withdraw it as soon as the token is listed. But if you don't follow these steps now, the token that is listed will be dumped and you will not make as much profit as you expected. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process you should follow before the token is listed and instantly after a token is listed to get maximum profit. Steps to follow before the token is listed. Open the Hamster Kombat. Tap on the airdrop section and then connect with Ton Wallet button will appear under the task list. If you already have a Ton Wallet account, click on it. Alternately, if you don't have an account, install Ton Wallet from the Play Store and sign in. Also, to protect your Ton Wallet from being hacked, look for choices relating to biometric authentication. Follow the on-screen steps to enable biometric authentication. To set it up, you may need to scan your fingerprint or face. Once enabled, you'll be able to utilize biometrics to access your wallet. Also, to back up your wallet recovery phrase, tap on Backup Your Wallet or Manage Recovery Phrases. You will often be requested to write down a set of words, usually 12 or 24, in the precise order shown. This is your recovery phrase. Write down the recovery sentence on a piece of paper. Ensure it is maintained in a safe place. Once again, go to Hamster Kombat and select Ton Keeper. Finally, click on the Connect Wallet option. Your Hamster account is now successfully connected to Ton Wallet. Steps to follow immediately after the token is listed. After the token is listed, open Hamster Kombat and tap on the airdrop section. Then the Claim Now option will be displayed as soon as the token is listed. When you click on it, your coins will be sent to your TON wallet. Next, launch an exchange app like Binance. Go to the Deposit section and choose Deposit Crypto. Select Hamster Coin from the list. You'll see a QR code, the deposit address, and a code. Copy the deposit address and code. Now, return to your TON wallet app and select Hamster Coin. Tap the Transfer button, paste the deposit address into the recipient area, and then input the number of coins you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction. Alright, crypto lovers, if you have collected enough coins and will be able to follow this step quickly after the token is listed, congratulations in advance. You will be rich. Hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Also, click on the left side video if you want to know when Hamster Kombat's tokens will be listed, and click on the right side video if you want to learn everything about Hamster Kombat.